Greetings, everyone. Today, I want to show you how to avoid malware. Malware is a serious threat to any device. There are many methods to avoid it, but the best method is to use a good VPN. I recommend NordVPN. It has over 5,000 servers that are available 24/7. You can download NordVPN from any browser. Just click this button and the download will start. Once it's downloaded, open it. You will see this screen. If you want to see all of the features, you can find a link to the video in the description. Let's focus on the important part. To do this, click the Threat Protection button. A new site will open. Here, you will see the option. Its name is Web Protection. This is a fantastic feature of this VPN. Before you click on it, look here. It says, Real-time protection against malware, trackers, and ads. We need to protect our device from malware. Just click on it. I hope it doesn't take too long. In a few seconds, it will start protecting your device. That's how to protect your device. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like it.